Hi everyone, welcome to this English video class. This is Sirisha. Children, in this class we can learn remaining topics in Alice in Wonderland story. Okay children, now let us see given topics. So our first topic is let us write topic. Find one word from the story that means. Here some words are given to you. Now you have to find one word from the story to related to these words. That means same meaning of these words. Okay children? Now let us see one by one. To walk fast. So here you have to find out one word which means walk fast and it begins with H. So here answer is hurried. Hurried. Okay. And next one is to think. Next word is to think. So here find one word which means to think and it begins with W. Okay, from that story. So can you find it children? So to think means wondered. Okay, to think means wondered. Next one is happy. So here also you have to find one word from the story and it begins with the D. So happy means delight. Already we read in our new words meanings. So happy means delight. Next one is to be seen nowhere. So here meaning is disappeared. Okay, so to be seen nowhere means disappeared. Next one is move fast. So move fast means scamper. Next one is to be inquisitive. So children, inquisitive means someone who asks so many questions. That means curious. Okay, so to be inquisitive means curious. Okay, once again let us see our answers. To walk fast means hurry. To think means wondered. Happy means delight. To be seen nowhere means disappeared. At once means quickly. Move fast means scamper. To be inquisitive means curious. Now let us go to next one. Given another word for the ones given below with similar meanings and make sentences. Make sentences with each of the opposites of these describing words and make sentences with them. So children, now what you have to do? Children, you can see some words here. These are lovely, talking, listening, see and center. Okay, so you have to write similar meanings of these given words. Okay, first of all you have to write similar meanings of these given words and you will try to make sentences with the similar words. Okay, and next you have to write opposites of these given words and you will try to make sentences with these opposite words. Okay children, so first of all let us see similar words of these given words and sentences with these similar words. Okay children, so here first word is lovely. Okay, here first word is lovely. Similar word is beautiful. That means lovely means beautiful. So here sentence can be I saw a beautiful garden. Okay, so lovely means beautiful and sentence is I saw a beautiful garden. Our next word is talking. So here similar word is chatting. So sentence can be boys were chatting in the classroom. Okay, boys were chatting in the classroom. Next one is listening. So listening means hearing. So here similar word is hearing. So sentence can be Mahesh is hearing a lesson. Okay, Mahesh is hearing a lesson. Next word is see. So similar word is to watch. That means see means to watch. So sentence can be, we should not watch horror movies. We should not watch horror movies. Okay, last one is center. So similar word is middle. That means center means middle. So a sentence can be, there is a pond in the middle of the park. Okay, there is a pond in the middle of the park. Okay children, now let us see opposites of the given words and sentences also. Here first word is lovely, so its opposite is ugly. Okay, and here sentence is, she was wearing an ugly dress. She was wearing an ugly dress. Next word is talking. So here its opposite is silent. So sentence can be, Lata is a silent girl. Next one is listening. So listening opposite word is talking. Here sentence can be, talking too much is a bad habit. Talking too much is a bad habit. Next one is see. Okay, its opposite is ignore. So our sentence can be, please ignore your problems. Please ignore your problems. Next one is center. Okay, its opposite is outside. Okay, sentence can be, do not go outside. Do not go outside. Okay children, so children, you have to write similar words and those sentences in your CW. Okay, and opposites of the given words and sentences of the sentences with opposites write in your textbook. Okay children, now let us go to next one. Imagine you are going on a journey to the center of the earth. What do you think you will see? What would you feel? So children, you have to imagine that you are going to the center of the earth. Now you have to write that what will you see that and what would you feel that. Okay, so what will you see that and what would you feel that. Okay, now let us see our answer. Here my answer is, I will be able to see different layers of earth while going to the center of earth. I would feel hot there because of the high temperature. I repeat, I will be able to see different layers of earth while going to the center of earth. I would feel hot there because of the high temperature. So children, you can change this answer as your wish. Okay, now let us go to next one. Here fourth one is, Alice follows the strange rabbit because she wants to know a number of things. Rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. So here some words are given to you. Now you have to rearrange the words to make the questions that Alice has in her mind and put a question mark. Okay children, now let us see. So here first words are talk, rabbit, a how, can. Talk, rabbit, a how, can. So here correct question is, how can a rabbit talk? How can a rabbit talk? Okay, second one is going, he is where. Okay, so now rearranging, then we get, where is he going? Where is he going? Next one is read, he can time read. Okay, so here correct question is, can he read the time? Can he read the time? Next one is hurry is in a why he. Hurry is in a why he. So rearrange, then we get, why is he in a hurry? Why is he in a hurry? So children, correct questions are, how can a rabbit talk? Second one is, where is he going? Next one is, can he read the time? Last one is, why is he in a hurry? Okay children, so these are the today topics in this lesson. So children, you have to write those topics in your textbook except similar words. Okay children, so take care of yourself and bye.